appears to be stuck. Raindrop cakes. They're really cool. But could they be bigger? Could we make the biggest raindrop cake in the world? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Alicia, and we're going on a treasure hunt for strange and mysterious food. We'll make it, taste it, and try to get some awesome pictures of it. Then, we'll need your help to decide which pictures are good enough for the gallery. The plan for today is to make the biggest raindrop cake in the world. So a normal raindrop cake is made in a spherical mold, like this one. Our giant raindrop cake, though, is going to be so much bigger and heavier that if it were a sphere, it would collapse under its own weight. So instead, we're gonna make it in a bowl so that it's dome-shaped. We'll need a bowl, a big stock pot, and a bunch of agar. But what the heck is agar?
Agar is a gelatinous substance derived from red algae.
Who said that?
I did.
My toaster's talking. Just kidding. This is Tess, my toasting and educational support system. She knows everything. Watch this. Tess, what is agar?
Agar is composed of two starches, agarose and agarapectin.
Oh, Tess, you know everything. It's time to start cooking, which means it's time for my lab coat. Tess? As we said before, this is too small for our big cake. We're gonna need something a little bigger. We measured our fridge, and this is the biggest bowl that could fit in it. I'll show you what else you need. I've got to say, we're going to be boiling water, and it's very hot and very dangerous. Don't do this unless you have help from a grown-up. Now, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of agar into the water. Now we're gonna give it a quick stir. Now we're gonna bring it to not a boil, but just a simmer. So it's almost boiling now, so it's time to put it in the bowl. I think I'm gonna need a grown-up for this part too. Hey Tess, can you give me a grown-up?
Coming right up.
Oh, hey, can you help me pour this?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Can you send me back?
Oh yeah, hey Tess. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. I'll be back in about 10 hours. See you in a bit. This is a big raindrop cake. Now we have to get it out of the bowl. My plan is to use this cutting board, put it over the top, and then flip it and take the bowl off. Let's see. Flip it.
Flip it.
Flip it.
Are you ready? It appears to be stuck. Okay, well, maybe we'll give it a minute to warm up. Maybe that'll loosen it. It's time for the reveal. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! We made the biggest raindrop cake in the world!
Biggest raindrop cake in the world!
Biggest raindrop cake in the world!
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, guys, we did it. It's the biggest raindrop cake in the world. Ugh, it's so squishy and shiny. Oh my God, look, it's so jiggly. I think some of the agar went to the bottom of the bowl because the top is tougher than the bottom of the raindrop cake. This is my favorite sound. Oh my God. Before I taste it, I have to get a photo with it. Tess, activate photo shoot mode.
No problem. Activating photo shoot mode.
time to taste it. It doesn't have that much flavor because it's mostly water, but it's still pretty good. That about does it, guys. Be sure to stick around to see the photos we got of the raindrop cake and vote to see which one we should put in the gallery. Would you eat this? What do you want us to make next time? Let us know in the comments. See you next time. Bye!
OMG! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.